Hell, Discord. All right, we're currently live. We're here. We're here. We're going to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's starting to do something. It's actually a really big deal what Bitcoin is doing. Currently trying to break out on the 4-hour. This is phenomenal. This breakout will signify we should be going all the way up to our overhead resistance. 68,542 is our target. Let's go ahead and check out the heat map real fast. Checking out the heat map. Let's go out to the weekly here. See if we can get some liquidations. Oh, we're close to them. Holy moly. 63,564 is our liquidation mark. That is interesting. You thought no stream? Yeah, I thought no stream also. But as I was trying to make a video, the market started pumping. So, here we are. I was literally trying to make a video on rats, and then all of a sudden it just started shooting up, and I was like, what the heck's happening? So then I looked at Bitcoin, and when I looked at Bitcoin and saw this breakout happening, I was like, well, guess we're going live. Here we are. So, needless to say, if you do like the coverage of the price action, please hit the like button on YouTube. If you're over there on Twitch, just say hello. That's fine, too. You could do that. It's a bull trap. Really? You're going to say it's a bull trap when we're not even on a confirmed breakout of true overhead resistance? It just looks like we're going to go test the top of the channel. I don't know what you mean. I don't see this as a bull trap right now. We have tons of room on the daily to go up. We have this is an Asia pump right here. This is what an Asia pump looks like. So I don't know about bull trap. I know what an Asian pump looks like. 58. You're calling. You think it's gonna go down to 58K? Maybe tomorrow. I mean, maybe. If Wall Street is out here and they get their panties in a bunch because of a CME futures gap, sure. You might be calling it. You just might. But I think Asia is out here. They're in it to win it, bro. In it to win it. So yeah, current breakout of the local downtrend we've been having, and you know there's some crazy trader out here that's looking at this. It's like, this is a mega bull flag from down here to up here, bro. We're gonna be flying. We're going up to 76,000 right now. It could happen. like that's the whole thing. It could happen. That's the weird part. Do I think that's personally going to happen right now? No, not really. I really don't. But I do think it's going to rally overnight. I think when Wall Street sees it in the morning, though, they're going to try and sell this thing off hard. But remember, 63,700. We're hitting it. We're short squeezing right now. Actually, hold on. Yeah, it's like right now. 63,564. We should be squeezing right now. Yeah, this is a short squeeze. And we're retaking the 200 daily right now. This is kind of a big deal. This is actually a really big deal. We've been held down from the 200 daily moving average since August 8th. We're pumping. We are pumping. It's like moving. like this is actually a really big deal. Looking at your 15 minutes, still not overbought yet. Still not. I guess we are overbought on the 15. But yeah, I think this party's just getting started. I think Asia's out here for blood, honestly. The video I was trying to post The video I was trying to do was for rats. But as you can see, that rats video, we're breaking out right now. So right there, we broke out, we back tested out support, now we're starting to run. Rats first target, you're looking at 16928, second target 20699. From where you're sitting at this very second, I mean, you're looking at anywhere between 23 to a 51% upside move. 64.2k net next. I could see that. But yeah, you got to look at what are the things that are going to benefit most from it. So you're looking at rats, you're looking at sats, and you're looking at like STX. So we're going to look at all of those right now. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Sats. Sats might be the big winner here. Holy moly. You even have a 50 simple just starting on the weekly right here, but this is huge. You're looking for a measured move all the way up here. More than likely you're going to hit overhead resistance up here, but holy moly. We got a bit of resistance to worry about. This is actually your first target? Holy shit. We didn't even get a firm back test. What? 43%. There's not much stopping it. Let's check the daily. What the hell? Okay. Dailies. Those are some tight moving averages. Holy shit. Those are tight. Okay. Alright. So 43% could be happening. We have a demand line to worry about when it comes to sats. Here's your demand line that we do have to worry about. So first target would be hitting that demand line, which is still 22% upside. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. So they're between a 22 to 43%. And then if the market really gets Uptobery, we'll be looking at the swing for the fences here. Anywhere between a 90 to, oh my god. I don't like it when you have so I'm gonna mark it off as the 43. The 22 I'm not gonna worry too much about. Yeah, so I mean if things get buck wild, you're looking at anywhere between a 90 and 136% upside for Sats. Sats looking strong down here. Holy. And all you got to do is maintain your supply line. That's a joke. That is a joke. There's no way, right? Hold on. I already have the supply line marked out. Wait. Whoa. All we gotta do is move this thing. Yep. Didn't even have enough to come back down and touch it again. Holy crap. Alright, cool. The sellers couldn't push it down any further. Little bullish. Let's find STX. Stacks. Getting its breakout right now. We got that 8% move. What a wick down that was yesterday. Oh my goodness. That right there, they liquidated all of the longs that they could, and now we're breaking the demand line? That's just cruel and unusual. Oh my goodness gracious. I hardly okay, we're gonna rechart this one live. I don't know what's going on here. Alrighty. Alright. So the levels I really care about at the moment outside of this right there. Okay, we got our levels. Good to know. Let's check their daily. Looks phenomenal. Oh my gosh. We are just up trending. Very nice. Very nice. That liquidation wick. Oh, that is just nasty. Traders are so mean. They are so mean. Also, Sui was down like 4% 2 seconds ago. Like, Oh man. So we're looking for our next higher high. I'm guessing we're gonna move up to 240. That's just a guess. You have two targets here. So you're looking for anywhere between a 16 to a 35% move out of STX. And this could happen within the next day or two. So keep your eyes on this one. Looking pretty darn good. Store J. Hold on. Hold on. Store J. Where are we at? Store J. Store J. Can we trade Store J on weeks? Can we? Store J? We can! Oh, I'm going to be funding this account tomorrow. I am definitely funding it tomorrow. Oh my Lanta. Alright, going down the 4 hour. 4 hour looks stunning. Absolutely stunning. I mean, you can even argue this was just a back test, and now you're trying to break out of more overhead resistance. So here you go. There's that, and then there's this. Right there. Yeah, it's just a nice little back test, and now you're running. STX looks really good. Really, really good. I do like it. I like it a lot. Looking great. Anyways. Solana. Gotta check out Solana. I just made a video about Jupiter. Yeah, Solana looks like it's just about to go up and test that 174. You break 174, I mean, all bets are off. You're more than likely going to go up all the way to 260, I believe. Let me double check. Been waiting for this one for a while. But, actually, yeah, we'll have regular trend line. We're going to go right here. Looks a little messy, but it is what we're looking at. And we're going right here with the first one I would have seen. I don't like how messy it looks, but that's kind of what we're looking at. And you know there's going to be some crazy person out there that's going to be like, this is your target. It's a bull flag, bro. Sure. Okay. So then your target that they might be looking for is like 275. If you're looking at it as some form of ugly wedge, you could be looking at, 57% move to 226. Either way, looks like it's going to be moving up quite a bit. So Solana's looking pretty darn good. I'm liking the Solana. Sui, I still think it should fall. I don't care how momentum is on its side. Still think it should fall. A lot. I think it should fall a lot. Aave, we were talking about that earlier. It had a beautiful back test. I mean, gorgeous back test. We're looking anywhere between 171 and 202. Aave looking strong out here. How's AVAX and Caspa? AVAX looks solid. I mean, it just looks solid. You are above resistance right now. You tried to back test it. The sellers couldn't get it down there. All day. Couldn't get it down there. They tried. They tried really hard. Couldn't do it. So remember, they do have an active video game out there. I think it's like World's Edge or some nonsense. It's a battle royale game. It is out. It is on the AVAX network. So you have Spot at 34. Not bad. Looks like you're about to cover. So 39 is your target. After 39, I think the next target is like 50 or some nonsense. It's kind of high. I think it's somewhere around 50. So we have weekly candle close 47.84. Yeah. That's the next target after. $47. Wait, 67 or 84? What did I just do? Get it right? 47.78. The next target. After 39.14, which also... Why am I using... Oh, that's why. Because it's right here too. Okay. So yeah. AVAX looking good. Looks like it wants to flip above its 200 and its 50 weekly moving averages. I like to see that. Looks like Aptos hasn't really started moving yet. Let's take a look at Aptos real quick, especially on the daily. Aptos looking really, really good. APT. Aptos. Reason why I say it's looking really good, you can see couldn't back test either. After we broke this level, as I said, 21, 53. 86 is the hard target. 1707, hard target for Aptos. Aptos is looking ready to rock and roll. Your daily is a bit high, not gonna lie. Your 4 hours a bit high. Being serious, it is a bit high, but it can rally. And it can rally hard. Maybe it consolidates a little longer. We'll see, but it's looking pretty good. Floki right now is going to make me angry because it did stop me out, which really sucks. This wick right here stopped me at... Son of... It didn't even go lower? Oh, that's just mean. That's just mean. Those jerks. Oh, see there? It stopped me out earlier today, and then it decided, hey, now that we got all the leverage out, let's send it. That sucks. Floki, your target is up here. It's a 32% rise. If you do break that demand line, you're going up to 20682. Floki's looking pretty darn great. You do have a level of resistance at 14915, but it's fine. Thoughts on Trump coin on Tuesday? It's going to rally. It's going to go crazy. It's going to go nuts. I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. I think it's extremely risky for him to do that before the election. But it is a way to enrich a lot of people while not being in office. So, we'll see. Damn, look at Bitcoin. Up 2%. Look at that. 64,000. Nearly 200. Look at you calling it out. After saying we're going down to 58. Yeah, I'm going to hold you to that one, Max. You're like, no, we're going down. I'm like, this is an Asia pump. We're not going down yet. Maybe tomorrow. Not right now. My Gala trade looking sexy, though. 64.2, then 58. What are you talking about? All right, we're at 64.2, like right now. Right this moment. I called it. All right, so now it's going to drop. Go down. Just sell off. Let's go. It's not doing it, Max. Damn. Can't take a short base off that. I mean, at a bare minimum, you're looking to test up here at like 66.4. You know that, right? I mean, it's cool we're at the top of this trading range here, but you're looking to get up there, especially after the liquidity grab right here. You're looking to go test the highs. That's just kind of how it goes. You sell off, consolidate, liquidity grab, go test those highs again. That's usually how it goes. We'll see if it happens again, but I think Asia. Oh, and you have so much room on the 4 hour. Yeah, we're gonna wake up and be like, "Wow, Bitcoin is up there," and then we're gonna be like, "Why is it selling off?" Because Wall Street, they're a bunch of crying weenie babies. For those of you who think I'm not in the trade, right here, we are currently up 142% on Gala. You can't see that because my face is in the way. Damn it. Hold on. That's not it. That's it. Yeah, just go slightly higher. There we go. There we go. Alright, so you can see down there, I'm up 143%, 144%. I am actually in on this trade, so there's that. No big deal. No big deal. Wasn't lying. Gala. I was talking about it yesterday on the live. Gala it looked too good not to trade. It just looked too good. So, I got in. I got in on the back test. Had to. I couldn't pass it up. What do I mean by the back test? I mean this. This beauty of a back test right freaking there, baby. Now we're starting to go. I am planning on taking profits at overhead resistance at this 2706 level. Hopefully we don't see some weird price movement in the middle of the night where it just turns around, stops me out, then goes up. That would be terrible. It has happened to me once with Shiba Inu. I was livid when that happened, but it is what it is. Like, Do you know what it feels like to be up 8 grand and then wake up to losing $300? Oh man, it was tough. Like the amount of rage I had that morning, I was like, "What?" Oh man, I was yelling. I was freaking out. I was like, "How could they do this?" It literally dropped 13% in a single 15-minute candle, and then it shot right back up. I was like, God dang it. And that is why I feel weird about keeping trades open overnight. So, if you ever wonder why I ever feel weird about it, that's why. Got screwed on that one. Didn't think I'd see a 13% drop in a single 15-minute candle ever, but it happened. Speaking of Shiba Inu, let's check it out. Currently breaking out. Looking for another 17% upside. Actually, if I can find where that death wick was, you guys are going to, like, you're going to feel my pain. I think it was right here. Right around here. I feel like it was that one. Was it this? Yeah, I think it was this one. Hold on. Oh shit. Where? Oh. Not that. Can I check Caspa and Brett when you get a chance? Yes. Yes, I can. I'm just looking to see where I got completely screwed on this trade real fast. Wait, is this it? Oh my god, that's a super deep wick. Yeah, hold on. Is this it? Wait, was it even this high? Hold on. I think this is it. Right here. Yeah, I don't think price was that high yet. Hold on. Let me see how far down. Yeah, this actually looks like it. 11 per. Yeah, I think this is it. Shit. Why does it keep doing this to me? No. Get back over there. Get back over there. Get. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the wick. Oh my god. Yeah. So you can see I got in this trade. It was over here. I was riding it up. I went to bed somewhere around this time. Maybe it was this time. I was like, yeah, we're good. I woke up after seeing this stupid candle. I was so mad. I was like, what just happened? Because if you look at how deep this thing went, look at that. That was a nearly 20% drop. Actually, it was a 20% drop. It was, what, 23? 20%. It was literally a 20% candle drop into continuing the rally. Like, could you imagine living through that? I did. We go down to... shit, where is it? Shoot. There it is. There it is. We found it. No! It brought us all the way back here. God damn it. Oh, wait. I think we have a chance. Alright, I give up. You saw it on the 1 hour. You saw what I was talking about. It's fine. It's fine. We're going to move on. Checking out Caspa first. But yeah, that little death wick, that just makes me not trust these markets on an entirely different level. Entirely different level. Sheesh. What am I doing out here? Was in February. Yeah, it was. And the worst part is my birthday is in February. I was like, oh, happy birthday to me. So, remember what I mentioned about Caspa? If it could get back above this 13.2876 level, you're doing it. You are now looking to possibly test this demand line up here. So it's anywhere between like a 18 to a 20% move from that level. You still have 17.6% upside for this. It's looking pretty saucy for Caspa. Caspa's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Looking like it's sitting pretty. Checking out your 4 hour. It's just now getting started, which is very nice. Checking out your. Oh, and yeah, supply line was tested. It was a perfect test of the demand line, a second test, as well as the supply line. So it looked really, really good. Your 1 hour, it's not overbought. That's what you need to focus in on. Not overbought. During bullish times, on the 1 hour, sometimes you gotta ignore the stochastic unless it's resetting fast. So if it suddenly drops quickly, get out of your shorts because it's gonna go up and it's gonna go up a lot. So yeah, just gotta keep that in mind. Same with like the 15. So your 15's high right now. You just broke above your 50 simple moving average. Wouldn't surprise me if you had some mild pullback down to like 133. Even if it comes back down to this 13.2876 level, if you manage to get it to come down there, great entry. Great chance for entry where you could then ride this thing up for all it's worth. But good luck waiting for that. And if you are trying to get into the trade late, you have to have a stop loss below this low here, which would be at 12.9979. Just for safety. That's all it is. SHIB up 5.12%. Nice. Nice. Thank you, Coinbase, for telling me what I already know. Now my wife's tagging me in pumpkin patch pictures. Let's go. So yeah, Casper's looking great. Love to see it. I see nothing but upside tonight. Tomorrow morning's gonna be a different story. So I'm doing my best to make sure I wake up for that stream. Yeah, I'm definitely planning on being here for the market open, just to see how Wall Street reacts, because I think Wall Street's gonna be a bunch of poopy buttholes. Brett, we're checking it on Gate.io. Brett, we broke resistance. Look at that. Next week gonna be good. It could be good. By the way, anybody who's new to the channel, if you could do me a huge favor and say hello, that would be great. Love to see who's actually here. I like to interact with you all. And then if you are new here, we're still on the quest for 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Drop a sub. Be amazing. We're only at 300. Anyways, looking at Brett, we didn't even backtest as support. What a shame. But this 12.018 level, let's go. Looking like you're going to hit it. If you manage to break above that 12.018 level, you're looking at 14.585. A lot left on the bone for this boy. Checking out your 4 hour. 4 hours completely in overbought territory, so that's something you do have to worry about. It could pull back. Just fair warning. The possibility is there. Yeah, not only me, guys, seriously. Don't let it just be Max. Max needs some buddies in the chat. Max needs the buddies. We all need the buddies. It's like Heavyweights the movie. Buddy! The buddy system is a great thing. To the one viewer on Twitch, God, you are not going unnoticed. I appreciate you. Anyways, back at it again with the one time. Anyways, so back to checking all these charts. Let's go ahead and check Jasmy. Oh boy. As mentioned in previous days, Jasmy was set up for greatness. We have managed to hold the bottom of the channel after the liquidity grab and not backtesting former support. That's great to see. What different between yellow line and purple? Oh, at the RSI? So RSI likes... I don't understand which one I put in here, but there's like a trend line for the RSI. That's the yellow line. The purple line is your relative strength. So when you are under trend, it's kind of like, hey, we're probably going to go down. But now that we broke above trend, you're looking for this trend line to act as support for the strength. So even if you see price coming down or even going up, what, like back here, you saw it come down, you bounced off of it as support once, bounced off of it twice, and you continued the rally upward. But as soon as you broke down, you hit it once as resistance, came down, hit it resistance again, came back down until you broke above. So that's all it is. It's just a trend line. I don't know which RSI I chose when I chose it. I just wanted a relative strength, and then I had this trend line to work with, and I was like, cool. I don't feel like getting rid of it. So that's all that is. It's just a trend. So when you're trending up, you'll see that yellow line going up. So you can see it is an uptrend while price was falling, showing that hidden bullish divergence, which basically meant we were going to go up anyways. So that's why if you ever hear me getting all super bullish and it's like, but prices are going down, buy it. Just buy it. Like, it's because I'm looking at all these other indicators. That relative strength indicator, though, it's kind of a big deal. But yeah, we did on the 4 hour, we had a lower low with the higher relative strength. That is starting the uptrend, therefore, hidden bullish divergence. You're expecting it to hold, and you go. I think I even made a video, or I was live, where I was like, if you're getting in on this trade, you have to have your stop loss below 1773. We didn't even touch it, which I was surprised by. I thought we were going to touch it when we fell down, but here we are, trending up. Anyways, top of the channel, you're looking for that 35% move, but that would be breaking some level of resistance. So then you could see a move all the way up to 3708, which is 89% from where you're currently sitting. That is a big deal on Jasmy. So Jasmy, you can also look at it as you had a demand line, you broke out, you tested it once, tested it twice. Now you're starting the new uptrend. You got multiple ways of looking at it. All the ways looks bullish. All the ways looks bullish. Let's check FIL. I was debating on making a video on FIL because we were sitting right around entry level positions here. I thought we were actually going to test it. Once again, the sellers didn't have the strength. I guess they sold off all their coins. I don't know what happened. But we still have a little bit of meat left on the bone to get to the top of the consolidation. Looking at another 13% possible upside if you get the breakout and a back test. Based off the measured move, let's just say we break out tomorrow and we hold this 413 as support, we could look for a 41% move to the upside, up to $5.81. So yes, we have been getting absolutely wrecked by Filecoin, but it looks like it's going to give us some hope again, which is nice. It's very nice. I remember Near was looking really good as well, so let's check that out. Jesus Christ. Yeah, Near looking pretty damn good. Did we look at this yesterday? Because testing the demand line looks like it's going to happen tonight. I'm not mad about it. Not mad about it one bit. But I will say, possible $6.77 could be happening. I'm more surprised this 4622 actually held. I'm a little more surprised about that. But I do think the gaming tokens are going to do extremely well this week. So I'll be looking at the AVAXs, Big Time, YGG, Gala, Sandbox. Oh my god, Sand. Jesus, almost forgot about Sand. Sandbox, what are you doing? Alright, Sandbox, just someone's accumulating you. Holy shit. This is a clean chart? I didn't chart on this one? I probably charted on the KuCoin chart, but you are in an accumulation range right now. Interesting. Yeah, you are right there. Yeah, Sandbox looking pretty good. As long as you don't drop any lower, you're looking pretty good. On the weekly time frame, your 50 simple's pretty high. Just to get to your 50 simple, you're looking at 58% upside. That's not bad. that would be a really good breakout too. Be a really good breakout. Got a little bit of resistance there. We got a lot of resistance here. 44. That's a lot of resistance. Wow. Why is that so much resistance? Right there? 45? Yeah, I'd put it right there. Resistance, support, support, resistance, support. Danced around it, resistance, and then you fell. Yeah, that's a big time mark right there. So we're going from one consolidation range to another, more than likely. More than likely. It was on Sandbox. Your 200 weekly is whoa, at $1? Holy shit. Okay. If Sandbox wanted to, it could run straight up to $1? Just, you know, no big deal. Just a 4x. It's fine. No biggie. Oh my gosh. That's funny. If things get crazy bullish for the gaming tokens, I would genuinely think 81 cents is going to be the like end of year target. Yeah. I know somebody just was like, "What do you mean end of year?" I mean, yeah, altcoins can move 200% within 3 months. Like, it's not actually weird. It's kind of normal. Oh man. Superverse, your favorite. We can check out Super. Is Super a gaming token? I don't know. But yeah, anybody who's new to the YouTube channel, you're just now in here, you're hanging out and stuff. First off, I appreciate you viewing. Secondly, if you could say hello, that would be great. Thirdly, if you can do me a huge favor and hit that like button, that would be amazing. Because we're out here on the struggle grind of trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. And let me tell you, it's a struggle for me. It's a struggle. So everything helps. Everything helps. Oh, Sand's consolidating still. Ew. Your daily looks really good for a rally, though. But we're going to see a lot of overhead resistance here, aren't we? If you can manage to break above this 28.87, yep, you're looking at some really good moves here. So let's get rid of this. Let's focus in on if it's an actual trade. We would be looking at something sort of kind of like this. 31%, way more likely to hit that 38.65. So we'll just raise that up to 32%. Second target, you're looking at 58%. Not bad, not bad. That's after the breakout. If you're trying to get in this trade right now, you need a stop loss below 23.49 for safety reasons. Definitely need that. Anyways. The next move after that, 81. We know. It's 200%. But you will have plenty of time to see that coming. Plenty of time. Looks good. I like Sand. Let's check out Super. Super. I know I have it in here. Super. Super had a beautiful breakout. Still looking to grab that 49%. Hitting $1.75. Had an absolute beautiful breakout, backtest as support on the daily. Held it as support. On this wick right here, that's when you knew. And now it's just rallying up. Uptober, baby. Looking like Uptober. It's looking good. Looking good. Checking out your 4-hour time frame. You reset. You reset the 4-hour without touching any moving averages. That's fine. Probably not a big deal. You reset your 1 hour too while just backtesting your 50? Wow. Wow. Okay. All right. What about your 15? We're going to see some. Okay, your 15 leaving a lot left to be desired on that stochastic. But, I mean, your 1's looking good. You broke out of your current downtrend. Are we for real? Current downtrend. You had this. So you were going down. You broke out. You back tested. You held support. And you're good. Okay. All right. I'm done. Super's great. Super's great. Whatever. It's fine. It's fantastic. Jesus. Are we for real? That's insane. Well, yeah, $1.7517 is the target. Uh, I don't like this 15-minute stochastic. I really don't. But if you have a stop loss below 117.49 on a brand new trade, maybe it'll be worth it because your upside potential right now is 38%. So maybe the risk is worth it. But yeah, your chance to get in was back here. When you hit it once, you hit it twice. First time, nobody knows. Second time, everyone knows. To go long. What's STG doing? I haven't looked at STG in forever. Stargate or something? Stargate. Wait, I think Stargate's a gaming token. I need to pay attention to these things more. I really do. Oh yeah, I wanted to look at Big Time. Jeez. Being distracted by my own thoughts. Yikes. Okay. A little pocket right here. Not bad. We got these candle closes here. So we currently have support. STG. Nice. Love it. We got some weird resistance right here. I'll tell you what. Nope, not weird. Held as support here. Support. And then resistance. Not weird at all. This one's weird. Really? That's not weird either? Oh my god. There's so many levels. Alright, STG. It's going to be a hard one to trade. You have a lot of levels to choose from. A lot of levels to choose from. Which kind of sucks. But once you break all of these little levels here, I mean, then you're looking at 53? Nope, a little bit lower. Right here. 52. Yep, it's 52. 52. Right there. See the support, the resistance, support, resistance, all that chop, all this chop. Yeah, it's an important level. Anyways, going down to your daily. Down to the hold on. Am I doing this for no reason? It's not no reason. And it's hot? Oh, shit. I need to put money in that exchange. Oh, my God. Really do. Daily looks phenomenal. Just absolutely phenomenal. Oh my god. 4 hour. High on your relative strength, but looking good. Dang. Got a demand line right here. Looks like you're going to go test that demand line. No big deal. So, the testing of the demand line. You might be seeing a 12% move in the near future. All you got to do is stay above this low 30-cent level. Is that a double bottom? That's a double bottom. Get a stop loss below that. You're good to go. I have food ready for me. I need to go grab it very soon. Otherwise, my nephew might steal it. Velo, code 0. Of course I can look at Velo. Thank you so much for commenting and requesting. I appreciate you. Anyways, so we're gonna put in right here. That level right there. You get a stop loss below there. You're cooking, bro. You're cooking. We have so many profit-taking levels. Oh my Lanta. So we're looking at anywhere between 12, 21, 31, or what's probably pretty likely, this 43% upside move testing the top of the range. STG probably going to go 43%. And it might do it fast because this is a low cap altcoin. Give me 1 second real quick. I'm going to pull up that Velo chart so I don't forget. Looks like the most trading volumes over there on KuCoin. Let's see how our data looks on this bad boy. Oh my god. Ugh, this looks gross. Not even gonna lie. Alright, I'm gonna be right back. Give me a minute. I will be back with food. Don't get mad at me. I'll be right back. One sec. One sec. Thank you for the brief intermission. Appreciate it. Alright, we're back. So, oh, STG starting to go up already. Anyways, let's chart this bad boy out. This thing looks nasty. I'm not even gonna lie. It looks absolutely gross. You are... Wow. You're actually breaking or holding a level of former resistance as support. You're holding it strong as support. You're holding it on the weekly. Velo looking good, bro. Velo looking good. From the standpoint of it could go up. That's the only standpoint it looks good. This chart looks just rough. just rough. So you're looking to possibly test this 24615 level. If you can break above that, you got some work to do. You got some work to do, I'll tell you. I hope you didn't put your life savings in this one, because this thing fell hard. Oh! I've been here before? Are we serious? Oh my god! Jeez. Sorry, I didn't even know I charted this thing before. What is this? Holy... I'm sorry. We're just gonna focus on down here. Holy crap. So, you can see what I mean. You see it. Let's go out to the daily. Daily's looking pretty solid. Pretty darn solid. So you can see you were in this sharp downtrend. You broke out. You double bottomed. This was the point in which you should have got in. Right down here, 7.378 hundredths of a penny. Hold on, hundredths of a penny. How high did it get? What a drop from $1.93. Well, it's seen better days. It's seen better days. Oh my god. What? Who's accumulating down here? Good for them. They're shooting for the moon. Whew. Whew. Jesus. Considering we had the full reset, we could argue we have a new supply line right here. We're going to see if it holds over time. Dang. So yeah, right now, considering you are holding support, you're just looking to test the next level. So what could happen is a 71% move to the upside. And the thing is, nobody would know about it because this thing is so beaten down. No one would know. But then if you manage to break above that, your second target, 160% upside. That is provided you hold support. If you do not hold support, very quickly you're coming straight back down to 7.378. I personally would have a stop loss right below this at 1.26 2, because I would want nothing to do with this asset below this wick. Absolutely nothing. And I really do hope you are not holding this long term, because you got some diamond hands, brother. Diamonds. I mean, wow. Absolutely amazing. But, yeah. So, that's what I see out of Velo. I'm interested to see what Ooh. Very interested to see Mask, because Mask shocks me every time when it gets moving. Every single time it shocks me. Because it'll do random things like this over here, where it just spikes straight up, consolidates, and falls down. Spike straight up, consolidate, fall down. So you can see where you are. You're at like all-time lows for Mask. Great place for accumulation, because you're just waiting for the random spike up. Like, random spike up, consolidate, spike up, consolidate, spike up. So you're waiting for that next crazy spike. So for Mask, we're looking at anywhere between 46 and 143% upside move. Mask looking pretty darn good. We're hitting this trading range over here. So I would say we need to break above 250.10. And then we hit it twice and fell down. So if we can break above that, that would be great. So yeah, it does look like on the daily, we do want to break to the upside. Let's check your 4 hour. 4 hour wants to do it. Let's check the 1 hour. 1 hour's ready to play ball. Okay. Where is my Gala? There it is. We're still good on Gala. We're still good. Anyways. So yeah, Mask actually looks like it wants to break to the upside. This might actually be like the trade of the week right here. Just because we could be looking at a 45% rise out of Mask in the near future. I genuinely think this thing could start rallying like crazy. Check your 15. Okay, the 15 minute looks dumb. I don't like the 15. 15 minutes says we're going to pull back. But if Bitcoin keeps doing what it's doing, I don't think we're going to pull back. Not yet. Maybe in the morning. Book of Meme. Oh, up 14%? That's crazy, dude. But checking out Bitcoin, we are going to go back to the big dog, because this is the whole reason the market is rallying the way it is. We're still waiting on Max's prediction of this thing to pull back to 58,000. Good luck, Max. Could be right. But 15-minute overbought territory. We are consolidating, but Bitcoin is up 2% on a confirmed breakout. What we would be looking for next is a back test of former demand line as support. Will we get it? I don't know, because we are in the midst of a short squeeze. 63,564. There was $143 million worth of leveraged shorts that are currently just getting mollywopped with liquidations. So that's pretty cool. Code 0, honestly, anytime. I'd have no problem checking out any requests. No money involved. Just out here trying to give the TA. By the way, anybody new here, if you could, do me a favor. Join the Discord. Discord is a great place if you do have many requests while I'm not live, or you're not looking at any of my videos. this is kind of the place for you to go drop your request. There's a tab specific for it. And if your request is amazing and God tier, I will definitely stare at it and then make a video about it. So check that out. Chili's. The token no one cares about, but it makes everyone money. Look at what Chili's is doing. Chili's looking good. Chili's looking good, dude. Phantom doing good? I bet. FTM is one of my favorites, if I'm being honest. FTM really is one of my favorites. Up 5.2%. Not bad. Floki's up 5%. Just making me cry every percent it goes up. Because it stopped me out this morning. No big deal. Still sad about it. A little bitter. No biggie. No biggie. Gala's doing extremely well, though, so I can't be that mad. It's just not doing as well as Floki. Looking at Chili's. So I was staring at this thing back where I had this wonderful price range, but currently 24% more upside could happen if it holds this level at 745. And then I think it gets a little crazy if it breaks that level. It does. It gets a little crazy if it breaks that level. Because then you're looking at testing... Yeah, you're looking at testing 1155, but in reality, probably going to go all the way up here. 1669. Looking good. Looking really good. Chili's is in your lows for accumulation. Oh, did it set up weekly hidden bullish divergence and I didn't pay attention to it? It did! Oh my god. I can't believe I didn't pay attention to that. Son of a... You can see the low. Low in your relative strength. Lower low. Higher relative strength. Hidden bullish divergence on the weekly is massive. Because you're not only expecting to get back up to these highs, you're more expecting to have the real run. So, strap in for Chili's. Might want to consider just getting in there as much as possible. 1 hour time frame saying that you could try to get in. Your 15-minute doesn't look great. But, yeah, that's looking pretty good. Chili's will shock you. It will shock you. I can guarantee that. Alright, looking at FTM. FTM, I mean, maybe it breaks out, maybe it doesn't. It has been range bound. I mean, holy moly. Let's get rid of some of this noise here. Super range bound. Just wouldn't quit, though. You had a supply line. You fell out. You hit it once. You hit it twice. You hit resistance. You're hitting resistance again. How much more selling pressure can these guys bring? I don't think they can hold it down much longer. I really don't. So, needless to say, I think FTM is getting ready for the next leg higher. Let's go out to your daily to see what happened here. You've been holding the 200 this whole time? Jeez. So, FTM, first target's 92 cents. Second target is to finish the measured move of this falling wedge, getting you back up to $1.17. FTM looking darn nice. This is the Uptober we were looking for. Right here. This is what we were looking for. I mean, you can even argue this looks more like a bull flag. So if we do leg up like that, the argument is there. Could do something like that. $1.488 would actually be a very good target. Very good target. I don't know how long it'll take to get there, but it's a really good target to aim for. Oh, there we go. Gala is starting to join the party. Let's go, baby. Gala finally breaking that 5%, making me less sad about Floki, even though Floki's up nearly 6%. But Gala is sitting here moving. If you're a part of the Discord, I think I told Discord about Gala a few days ago. Let's see. Jasmine, Arbitrum, Gala. I said it on the 6th. You guys knew about Gala for 7 days. Can't say I didn't warn you. A week ago. I wonder how Loon C is doing. I posted about Loon C last night. Let's see how Loon C is doing. Oh, we're on it. Okay. Loon C. Well. Now, Loon C was a weird one for me to post because I was like, why does this actually look good? Who the hell's buying this? But you know what? We just go with the TA around here. We are sitting almost exactly where I posted it. 31% is the upside target for Luna Classic. Caspa's not moving at all. I mean, to be fair, the rest of the market's moving. Give it some time, brother. Ooh, how's ACH been doing? ACH hasn't gone anywhere. Look at this nonsense. We've just been getting held down with ACH. I think a breakout could be coming soon, but once again, we have overhead resistance up here. Just sitting in these consolidations. But once we do breakout for ACH, you can see what it normally does. So we're looking for that move up here to 5 cents. Patience is the key. It really is. Patience really is the key. Pi. We were looking at this one yesterday. I guess it wasn't this chart. It was a MEXC chart. Wasn't looking. Oh, Gate.io. I probably looked at it. Yeah. Pi on the verge of breakout. So, needless to say, you're looking at a 58% move for Pi or PP, whatever they want to call it. I don't care. It looks like it's about ready to break out. When this thing does break, it's going to look real nice in your portfolio. I can tell you that much. Okay, 4 hour, absolute metric tons of room to run. Metric tons. All you need is Bitcoin not to pull back. That's it. Don't pull back. Because naturally, if it pulls back, it's going to get ugly. It's going to get ugly. You're going to end up seeing Pi back down here on this supply line. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully we get the nice breakout, get a nice little back test, and we continue to the upside. That would be fantastic. You know, it's funny. One of the girls I train, she was telling me that she was going to be getting a new car tomorrow. And then she asked me, she's like, oh, so should I sell my Dogecoin tonight? Or, yeah, right now? Or wait till tomorrow? And I was like, wait till tomorrow. It looks like it's going to go up. So then all of a sudden, I see the market start rallying. And I was like, yeah, waiting was the right choice. Because it was sitting down here on a red candle. And I was like, nah, give it some time. Doge looking like it's on the cusp of a break to the upside. Let's see where Doge could go. This might shock all of you where Doge can go, because Doge is sitting like in a really good spot. It's a really good spot. We might see like a little meme coin jolt up. But when I was looking at this, I noticed it was breaking. Or no, it was holding. Holy shit. So yeah, it was holding support. I know a lot of people, they make a lot of money on Doge. Yeah. Oh yeah. A lot of money on Doge. But I'm starting to realize I probably need to start just having like cryptocurrency clients. They're not even pro. I mean, it's not hard on meme coin. We have a little bit of overhead resistance, so maybe Doge finds some resistance at 11.79. Maybe, but if it breaks, your next real level of resistance Sitting at 18 cents. Doge is in a great spot. Like, it's an actual great spot for Doge. I mean, this upside potential is crazy. Like, so from where you're sitting now, you could see Doge go up another 61%. I mean, that's insane. The little doggy that could. The little doggy that could. Oh man, you do have a demand line to worry about. That could ruin the parade right here. So maybe you just go up and test the top once again, but golly. It looks great, honestly. And let's say you just use this as a symmetrical triangle. So, oh my god, you'd still be looking at like the exact same. Yeah, you're looking to go up and test 18 cents on Dogecoin. That's priceless. The fact that you're back above resistance and you're in this little pocket, it makes it a lot easier for putting a stop loss. A lot easier. The reason why Dogecoin stop losses are so much easier, it's because it's like a huge market cap. Let's see what Doge's market cap is right now. This is going to kill my eyes. Why? Why do you do this to me? Jeez. Doge. It's the number 8 token. So, number 8 token. It has a $16.5 billion market cap. Moving Dogecoin is actually difficult. So, you can have a stop loss right here at 10,856. And it should hold. As long as Bitcoin doesn't sell off, it should hold. So, you have some profit-taking levels, and this is where it gets absolutely nutty. You have the possible 61%, or maybe it's 60. So yeah, it's about 61%, or 13%. Those are your two levels. This is why people love meme coins. Because it's like, oh yeah, what are our levels? Oh, you could go up to like 12.82. Oh, what's the next level? 18.124. Wait, what? It's so funny. ICP? Triple bottom on the 4 hour? Sure. Why not? That's cool. Great place to put a stop loss. See, when it comes to trading these markets in bullish times, it's super easy. Super easy. So like right now, ICP. You don't even have to think much. You're like, oh, I have 3 levels I could choose from. We go up to overhead resistance at 21%. We have a measured move up here at 1392 or 98. And then we have overhead resistance at 1569. In reality, you have 2 choices. You can take profit at overhead resistance or overhead resistance. That's your options for ICP. ICP is set up greatly for just like, hey, you want to make some money? You want to make some money? Okay, cool. Put your trade in here. It looks good. Your 1 hour, a little bit left to be desired. You still want to see that breakout. You want to see the back test, but it's just bullish times are super easy to trade. They will go much higher than you expect, They will continue going up longer than you expect. It is stupid. Like with Sui. Sui makes no sense. Why is it still going up? No one knows. It's just, we're bullish. For what? Y'all went straight in a straight line. In a straight line. So now the rest of the market's rallying while Sui is struggling. But guess what it did? Came down for a back test of a former... Are we for real? Are we for real? So now we have to actually entertain the idea of a bull flag. We have to actually entertain this idea right here. We have to entertain it. Something like that could happen. We could see Sui trading at $2.51. The possibility is there. I personally am not ever going to think about taking this trade because I can see a daily chart. I would never take that trade. I mean, the fact that you just did this, I'm good. You're in all-time highs now. I'm good. I don't need to trade that. I'm good. Good luck, everybody out there. Not for me. Not for me. Things like Caspa, though, that's for me. Things like Jupiter, that's for me. Gala, obviously. I'm already in it. That's for me. Sui? Nah, I don't. Nope. Nope. Not gonna even try. Alrighty. I know Sui probably out there making millionaires right now. Because, I mean, I see some... Connor, another YouTuber, he was like, yeah, bro, just been trading this thing for 2 months. Like, that's wild. Good for you. Good for you. To have that conviction, good for you. I did not have that conviction. I just didn't have it. Right there. Lena. Lena sitting in a very, very good spot. All-time lows. Looking to possibly go up and get back into this consolidation range up here. Lena is in a very good spot. Lena has my undivided attention. No, just undivided attention. Your 200 daily moving average is up there as well. Love to see that. We have a confirmed breakout of a downtrend. Very nice. You can see that right there. And a back test. Ooh. You like to see that. You do like to see that. Oh, made a low, a higher low. Now we're getting this party going. Huh. All right. So, Lena here. We are looking at somewhere between, oh my god, 19? Is that right? Or is that a little low? It's a little low. 22. Oh boy. 63% upside. That's how beaten down these altcoins have been. Holy. They've just been beaten down, thrown to the curb, called ugly, had to pay taxes because they were ugly. Just, It's always nice to see when they bounce back, though. It's really nice to see when they bounce back. It's a thing of beauty. Yeah, so needless to say, hyper bullish this evening. We could see some selling pressure in the morning because Wall Street, they like to not miss out, so they will ruin all the gains as much as they possibly can. But let's see how far this rally goes overnight. It's getting pretty late for me. I'm going to finish eating, wind down, get ready for bed so that I can actually make it here for the morning market open stream. Anyways, I will catch you all later. Hopefully your stop losses are tight. Hopefully you have been making some money in this market. Anyways, I will catch you all later. Much love. Max, thank you so much for chatting. Code Zero, thank you so much for your little request there. I wish you the best of luck on your velo trade because that thing looked wild. Anyways, I'm out of here. Keep your stop losses tight. Deuces, y'all. I appreciate you. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe. Good night, Max. Good night, everybody. I'm out. Peace.